This is a treatment I use and it's worked wonderful. Even my friends can't believe it. My name is Sandy Miller. I'm from Gresham, Oregon, and I am actually retired from 2 different jobs. I worked at the phone company Pacific Bell in San Diego for 15 years, and then I worked for 15 years for the Gresham Barlow School District. I was a secretary there. My background for my health issues started with, I had a heart transplant 15 years ago. I've had a lot of trouble because of the medications that I have to take, and I had debilitating digestive issues, and that's what brought me here. I mean, I've gone to several different doctors, you name it. I mean, I've had issues with my throat. When my digestive issues are really bad, I probably throw up 5 to 6 times a day. It's gotten to the point where I just can't wait to come here because it's unbelievable how fast it works for me. And today I have no upset stomach or anything today. I am able to eat. And that's one thing my husband says is what a difference it makes that you can eat. And so I was able to come to the clinic, and it's been the best thing for me. This last September 2025, I had like a really bad cold and cough, and then all of a sudden I lost my voice. And it got so bad that my girlfriends actually brought me some little writing tablets so that I could communicate with them, because I had like no voice at all. Because my voice doesn't work real well. I hope my stomach settles down, and I hope my voice gets better. So this is a treatment I use and it's worked wonderful. Even my friends can't believe it. I mean, I have tried so many other options before coming to a Brain Restore Center, and it's almost been like a waste of our time, and this has been a solution for me. To be honest, I think I was kind of skeptical in the beginning because I kept thinking, how can this really work? Especially for my stomach. I mean, I kept thinking, how can lasers and, how getting in the chamber, how can that really help? And I love it. It's relaxing, and it's amazing to me what it's done. To me, I just say, go. Just go, just try it. Give it a chance, because to me, it's wonderful. I mean, I have some of my best friends were skeptical about me coming. And after they saw, from the first time that I came here, when they saw what happened, I think it made believers out of them.